The bass is building, tension, vimping my veins while I spin it. Everything is in motion. Air record turns, but I stay locked in place. People all around, but I can find my focus. I raise my hands, the crowd begins to shout. Lost in the pulse, trying to drown it out.
On the decks I disappear, rhythms louder than my fears. Hands up, my heart won't break, dancing through a wake but aching.
Under laser strobing, I still feel the burn. Faces fade to color, voices wash away. I'm here in the center, nowhere left to stray. Fingers on the vinyl, can you hear me now? Even in this rush, somehow. Silent in this rush, somehow. Maybe when the night is done and the last song fades to none, will I find what's left inside or drift away another time?
Disappear, rhythms louder than my fears. Hands up, my heart won't break, dancing through a wake but aching. Flashing faces, I'm passing. Minutes gone, not asking. In the crowd, just glancing. Familiar steps, still dancing. Every night feels the same. Chasing signs, lost in names. Hear the pulse, can't explain. Gravity pulling your frame. Echoes return, but I don't speak. Pattern burns, silence you need. Lost in a loop, eyes to see. Every reflection, memory leaks. Echoes return, but I don't speak. Puzzle pieces not fitting. Every laugh still hitting. Passing by, never admitting. Static waves forever transmitting. Every night feels the same. Chasing signs, lost in names. Hear the pulse, can't explain. Gravity pulling your frame. Echoes return, but I don't speak. Pattern burns, silence you need. Lost in a loop, eyes at sea. reflection, memory leaks. Echoes return, but I don't speak. So close, out of sync, on the edge, never blink. Traces fade in a blink, still haunted by the missing link.
Memories layered, sound on sound, your footsteps echo in the crowd. Every drop I hope you found, between the lines, truth unwound. I reach out, thin like air, moments pass but still they stare. I replay what isn't there, loops on loops, no repair.
Echoes return, but I don't speak. Pattern burns, silence unique. Lost in a loop, as I seek. Every reflection, memory leaks. Echoes return, they don't speak.
Echoes of the night, everything humming, hearts racing. I catch a trace of who I was at dinner right on the baseline. Eyes wide, searching for the resonance just ahead. All these questions hiding in the sweep of colored haze. Motion blurring what I hold on to and what I'm braving. If you see me down the line, tell me what you know now. Would you recognize the fire or the weight I carry then? Turn the pulse forward, let the world rearrange. Can you feel what's coming? Even time change. Turn the pulse forward, with every leap I take. No, I won't stand still for the break. Fractured seconds stretching to an after image of tomorrow. You speak in rhythm with the crowd, my unfinished symphony. Questions rendered simple by the pressure of the moment. As if everything we wrote tonight could rewrite our history. If you see me when the lights fade, trace the feeling back to me. Did I move too fast to hold, or did you mark the shift beneath? Turn the pulse forward, let the world rearrange. Can you feel what's coming? Even time change. Turn the pulse forward, with every leap I take. No, I won't stand still for the break. This isn't lost, this isn't left behind. You and I, framed in motion, blurred inside the lines. So if tomorrow calls your name, send a sign to hold me. Pressing deeper in the crowd, reaching for more than memory. Turn the pulse forward, let the world rearrange. Can you feel
It's hot, it's loud, I see you laugh, cut like static through the mess. Tell me, are you bored yet? Or is this what you want? Spinning logic, fuck it, just pretend we forgot. Too much, too little, too many bodies close. I hear you talking like you needed me the most. We keep tuning out, frequency loud, frequency loud. You've got that shut off look, I've got my hands in fists. Every word just bounces off. Shit, I'm tired of this. All these people sweating, acting like they're brand new. You know something at me, but your lips don't move. So what? Missed call in the static. Are we losing the fight? You turn away, fuck it, I'm not feeling right. We keep tuning out, frequency loud, frequency loud. What's it mean if we only talk through noise? Runner up for the best background noise. Oh. We keep tuning out, frequency loud. Didn't you notice, or is it just fine? Heartbeat in the corner, synced out of time. Yeah, fuck it, tune it out, I can't rewind. Frequency low, just leave it behind.
Caught in the middle, unfamiliar faces. We used to dance right here, trading places. Nothing to say, but I feel it start. Lost in the air, but you're close in my heart. Let it take me out, one last time. Let it take me out, play it again. Wish I could see you now like then. Just waiting for meaning. Echoes of laughter under the ceiling. Minutes rewind, but we're here tonight. My hands remember the feeling inside. Let it take me again. fall. The beat will catch me now, the bass will show you how to rise above the noise, to find your inner voice. The drop will set you free, just wait and see. Turn it up, turn it loud, let the music make you proud. Every scar becomes a sound, every loss becomes profound. Dance like no one's watching you, feel the rhythm breaking through. All the pain you're going through will make sense when you debut. Dance like no one's watching you, let the melody pursue. All the dreams you thought were true, they're still waiting here for you. No tengas miedo ya, la música llegará, el ritmo te salvará, tu alma despertará. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it loud. Let the music make you proud. Every scar becomes a sound, every loss becomes profound. Dance like no one's watching you, feel the rhythm breaking through. All the pain you're going through will make sense when you debut. Dance like no one's watching you, let the melody pursue. All the dreams you thought were true, they're still waiting here for you. Listen close, feel the pulse in your chest, in your soul. Every beat, every breath leads you to what comes next.